If you are not a fan of the new Siri AI on watchOS 27, here's how you can switch back to the Apple Intelligence Classic Siri on your Apple Watch. Alright, so to switch back to the Classic Siri, you'll need to use your paired iPhone. Make sure to grab that phone that's synced to your watch. Now on your iPhone, let's open the system settings. Now you won't find it in the Siri settings. What you need to do is just keep scrolling down till you find screen time option. Here, just scroll down and right at the bottom, there is the content and privacy restrictions. And then tap on the Siri option. And here you know the drill. You're supposed to set it on Siri Beta if you're watching this video right now, or just the new Siri. Just switch it back to the Siri Classic, that's all. And after that, wait a few seconds for the change to sync to your Apple Watch. And to quickly apply it, you can just trigger Siri, Hey Siri, or press and hold the little crown, whatever you want. And you'll see that your Apple Watch is now using the classic version of Siri instead of the new Siri AI. And that's how simply you can do it. Thanks for your time.